Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add retro film effect as transitions on your edits in CapCut. So first you just need to add your clips to CapCut and then just go straight to the transition by clicking on the white box in between the clip. Here, swipe through the category and then click on the light effect and just find the retro film transition in here. Okay, I'm going to just swipe until I found the retro film. Okay, this one, click on the transition and adjust on the duration to your liking. Click on the check icon and this is the result. So that's all from me guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and also click on the thanks. Bye.